Bolivia is home to the largest dinosaur track site ever found, Carreras Pampa in Toro Oro National Park. It contains over 16,600 fossil footprints from the Upper Cretaceous era. These tracks reveal fascinating details about dinosaur behavior, movement, and even swimming patterns from millions of years ago. Angela V. Lima Chi Silvestri and team documented this study. Want to know more? Check out ENTECH magazine's official website for the full details. Hello everyone, and welcome to the ENTECH magazine's news digest for week 1st of January, 2026. I'm Diora, excited to share 10 incredible stories from the world of science and technology this week. These discoveries and innovations are shaping our future in remarkable ways. Scientists have captured stellar nova explosions in stunning detail using the CHARA Array. These observations show that novae are not simple flashes of light. Instead, they involve multiple gas streams and delayed eruptions. This research, conducted by John D. Monnier and colleagues, is changing our understanding of how stars explode and release energy into space. MIT engineers have developed a new aluminium alloy that can be 3D printed and is 5 times stronger than traditional metals. Mohadasset Taheri Masavi and colleagues developed this material with tiny particles. They use machine learning to enhance its strength. This could transform the aerospace and automotive industries with lighter, stronger parts. TI 561b is a super-Earth with surprising features. This ultra-short period planet orbits its star in less than a day. Scientists led by Johanna K. Teskey used the James Webb Space Telescope to find that a very hot planet, TI 561b, might still have a thick atmosphere. New research reveals that Saturn's moon Titan does not have a simple ocean beneath its surface. Instead, Titan has a slushy interior with layered ice and isolated water pockets. This discovery by Flavio Petrica and colleagues changes how scientists think about environments that might support life on this mysterious moon. There is new hope for children with high-risk neuroblastoma, a tough childhood cancer. Researchers Katarzyna Radke and team have identified drug combinations that targets cholesterol metabolism in cancer cells. These repurposed drugs make tumors more treatable and significantly improve survival when combined with chemotherapy. A new study challenges how we think red giant stars spread essential elements across the galaxy. Observations of the star are Doradus by Thibaut Shermer and colleagues show that dust grains near these stars are too small for light pressure alone to drive stellar winds. Scientists are exploring alternative mechanisms like pulsations and convection. Researchers have solved a 40-year-old mystery about gene silencing. Henry W. Bell and colleagues discovered that a protein called UHRF1 keeps fetal hemoglobin genes turned off after birth. This breakthrough offers new hope for treating sickle cell disease and other blood disorders. Scientists Hajime Fukuda from the University of Tokyo and Choi University have created a quantum sensor network to detect dark matter and determine particle speed and direction. This physical review letter study shows the sensors reach exceptional sensitivity using quantum effects like entanglement. Scientists have unveiled Change-seq-V, a breakthrough method for detecting unintended edits in genome base editing. The technique transforms DNA into tiny circles, exposes them to base editors, then selectively sequences only the modified strands. Research by Lazzarato, Kata, and team led by Bytesize shows Change-seq-V found nearly all off-target sites identified by other methods. That wraps up our science and technology news digest for week 1, January 2026. These stories show how innovation is happening across astronomy, paleontology, materials science, medicine, and technology. To read these articles in detail, visit nchonline.com. There you will find in-depth coverage, references, and more amazing stories. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. Which story excited you the most? Let us know in the comments below. See you next week.